Rock Squad, your boy Daryl. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all come ride with me, come ride with me. So today I'm out here at BK trying out their new limited edition monster menu. And one of the things they had were the new vampire nuggets. Oh yeah. Get the busty bad boys open. I like this little coffin like box. Kind of remind me of that promotion that Wendy's had with Wednesday. Okay, so I guess these are like the vampire shaped nuggets. Oh yeah, there we go, there we go. And I got the whole little combo meal with the half fries, half onion rings, and a drink. All right, we're gonna dive in. All right, vampire nuggets. Let me first let me taste it first. Okay. They're like your typical fare nuggets, but BK got good nuggets anyway, though. Just shaped like little vampire bats, I guess. Let me try the little zester sauce. Oh, yeah. If you ever had Burger King zesty sauce, it's a force to be reckoned with. Yes, indeed. All right, all right. Try the Burger King ranch, but I guess I wouldn't say they got a partnership with Hidden Valley, but that's what they use, the Hidden Valley ranch. Oh yeah. And there's some good ranch here as well. Try a little fry. Dip a little onion ring. For 10 cents more on your combo, you get the half fry and half